Hi guys, what is up? I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make up to $50 over and over with no upfront investment and with no skills. Even if you have no skills and even if you have zero money, if you just have time, you can start earning money with this method. Okay, maybe you want this money to start another business, maybe you want to support your needs, maybe you want to support your family, or you want to start a side hustle. This is gonna be the best thing for you. And like you've seen here, this is the income proof, so this is legit, this is not a scam. You will get paid. Okay, if you do the work, you will get paid. If you watch the video till the end, you will make up to $50 and even up to $400 a month side income if you watch the whole video, because I'm going to show you why this is gonna be the best thing for you. So this is gonna be the best thing for you, first of all, because it is a worldwide method. Okay, even if you live in another country other than the US, you can use this method to start earning some money. And why this is gonna be the best thing for you, I'm going to show you that in that video. And like you see in here, by the end of this video, you will get to know the actual website, the 4 important steps to start working with this company, the 6 methods to earn money, and also the best way to boost your income and make even more. So let's dig in and let's get to the actual. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. Well, okay, so this is the website that I'm going to talk about. The name of the website is Remote Tasks. Okay, what's basically Remote Tasks is it is a website that gives you the ability to take simple tasks that needs no skills at all. Okay, that needs no skills, and you can make money from it. It's basically like pico workers or micro workers, but it's not the same thing. Okay, here you have to take some trainings. The training is not super long, the learning curve is not that long. Okay, and then you can start earning some money. People here can earn over $400 a month side income. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. First of all, you have to sign up. Okay, this is very important, not just for this website, but it is important. It is an overall important things for all the websites out there. And if you want to sign up, all you have to do is to click on sign up. Okay, once you click on sign up, they will direct you to another page. Let me show you the other page. Very important for them to evaluate your skill and knowledge, okay, to make sure that you are able. And you don't worry, my friend, they have the training available for free and all the resources you need, and the exams are pretty easy, and even if you didn't pass it, you can retake it again and again for free. And once you get accepted, you can start one of the tasks and get started in making money. And the third step, guys, is to work. So once you get accepted after the exam, you can start working. Okay, this is the core of this review. Begin working after passing the exam, and that is based on the types of the tasks that you choose. Okay, so just follow the instruction on those tasks and you will make money. It's not hard, it is very easy. Like you're seeing here, if you once you join this website or once you visit this website, just make sure to take a look at this presentation here. Now it's paused, but once you visit the website, you'll take a look at at this introduction here. It is a simple introduction. They will show you what you have to do on every one of those tasks. Okay, and the step 4 is getting paid weekly. So the payment is weekly through PayPal, and there is no minimum threshold. You can get your money whenever you want, and even if you have $1. So the tasks that you can take, there are 6 tasks that you can take. Image annotation. You just have to draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's and where. Okay, what you have to do, for example, if there are cars in like a place, all you have to do is to draw boxes on those cars. Okay, and to separate the cars from the actual image. Okay, This is how you can make the money from this tasks. It's simple, so simple, and it needs no skills to do that. Categorization, you help identify keywords that describe images, what's in an image. Okay, so for example, you have a coat here. What you have to do is to say, is it a coat, is it a jacket, what's the color, is it a purple, is it blue, is it yellow or something like that, is it cotton or something else. Okay, the type of the coat. And this is the second way you can make money from this website. This is the second type of tasks. And the third one, and this is one of my favorites, guys, is image transcription. By image transcription, I mean describing what you see in the image and yeah, transform what you see into a written script. Okay, what you see, you have to describe it. So maybe you see like a knife here, you see like a spoon or something like that. Or what you see, you have to describe it and put it like in a form of scripts. Okay, and you can make money just doing this. The fourth way, or the fourth type of tasks, it is comparison. So it is exactly the same thing like the first one, image annotation, except that in comparison you have to compare between two different objects. Okay, they are similar, and somehow they are similar like two bicycles, but you just have to compare between them. Maybe the color is not the same, maybe it's not the same company, maybe it's something else. And also what you can do is audio transcription. So what is audio transcription? Is basically transforming what you hear into a written script. Okay, and it is exactly the same thing like image transcription, except that image transcription is transforming what you're seeing, and in audio transcription you are transforming what you're hearing. And data collection is search the web and collect data about anything. So for me, guys, the best thing in this website is image transcription and audio transcription. You can make a lot from those two, and also you will get upgraded to become a reviewer or an attempter by just doing those two. Yeah, and also what you have to take a look at, guys, is the reviews. Take a look at the reviews of this website. People are happy to become involved with this website because they are making money from it. People are making $200, $300, even $400 a month side income, okay, from this website directly to your PayPal account. So why not choosing this website? Why not being involved with this one? Because people are loving it. And also what you have to do is to take a look at the frequently asked questions. If you have any question, you can find the answer in frequently asked questions. And also what you have to know, guys, I'm trying to put the maximum information in this video, so you don't have to go to frequently asked questions section and waste your time there. But what I want you to take a look at is this one. Okay, this one, in-person training bootcamp. So what is in-person training bootcamp? I'm going to show you what it is. So Remote Tasks Bootcamp is 10-day in-person training program designed for the group up to help you to become more successful tasker. So this is actually for people that are really serious in this job, that are willing to take this serious, to take it to the next level, and they want to make a lot of money from this. Okay, let me show you how much you can make. So if you want to attend, all you have to do is to sign the form. Okay, to sign a form, to fill in all the information there. And the payout is $10 task completed training as an attempter. If you're an attempter, if your rank is reviewer, you will make $25 for the tasks completed in the training. For a super reviewer, you will make $40 as a super reviewer once you complete the tasks. And the payout for the tasks is between $10 and $40. And how much you can make, guys, that's depends on the hours that you work. So for example, if you're working 40 hours a week, you can expect to make between like $100 and $400. Okay, so this is one of the best thing that you can do if you have no money and if you want to start making some money from the internet. Maybe you live in a third world country, like $400 could be something for you. If you are looking to make some extra money and you're willing to spend the time and you're willing to invest your time to do it, you just have to do it the right way. Okay, the way that will make you the most of the money. So make sure to take a look at this video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.